So where do these like originate from though?
It's Tibetan. It was 2500 BC. It was begging bowl in India.
Begging bowl.
Yeah. Then Buddha come and he found this for meditation.
Oh.
Now people nowadays create so many things with this one: healing,
So-
Reiki, music.
You do it for meditation, like to start the meditation? To
It is meditation like this. And when you do healing, you have to change the note like this one. This is higher. And if you don't like this, you can play only low. It's very useful. Many, people like this nowadays.
Yeah, I've seen them in the States.
You put them over the head and sometimes you put on here. You can feel a lot of vibration when you lay down on floor and you put on body.
So how do you do like chakra healing? Do you do like chakra readings or what?
On the chakra readings, I can tell you if you have unbalanced any chakra, I can tell you that.
How much are your readings?
Nothing, just, I help the people. I just sit.
Good.
You give me hand, I can tell you which chakra you have unbalanced. Well, I find two chakras unbalanced, the solar plexus and the heart. This I find, this yellow, center of power, inner wisdom, storehouse of emotions and feelings. This is unbalanced. Heart, lungs, liver,
So center of love, compassion.
and motherland. This I feel too is unbalanced.
Like I don't have love and compassion or what?
Yeah, it is unbalanced, you are double-minded. Should I do this, should I do that, This is unbalanced.
And then what does this one mean?
This is,
My inner power, my center power and inner wisdom?
yeah, and this is all about the, solar plexus, everything built from solar plexus. If solar plexus is balanced, everything is balanced.
So how do I like balance myself?
Just do with this one. I can tell you only like this. Just play this one or just hit it with this. No, little bit pressure. No, you don't put any pressure. I can feel that.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
got it.
You have to put little pressure. No, focus. Look. Just relax, focus. Sometimes you do only like this.
Okay.
And if you don't want this one, with the stick you just do it with the hand only like this. You have a seat, please.
No, it's okay, it's okay.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's nice. And then what about these? These look cool.
This can break easily. This is machine made.
Ah.
And this is
So
more
it's
for
more like,
decoration.
it's more like, yeah.
It's more like decoration. It's
Okay.
nice looking outside. This is inside good. It's look ugly, but it is helpful. It is inside good.
Thank you so much.
Mhm.
What's your name?
Parvez.
What is it?
Parvez. Difficult.
Parvez.
What is your name?
Marion.
Mary.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking your
Thank
time. I will be back.
To India?
Do you have a card?
Yes.
And I'm like vlogging about it, so I want to tell people that to come visit you when they come to Pushkar.
No, leave it.
So you had to everything, the phone, the...
No,
Oh, Parvs right here.
I know your number.
Come visit Parvs when you're in Pushkar.
Is my name? Parvez here. I am sound therapist. That's why I say you.
Song therapist.
I work
You
with
sing
the children.
too? Oh, wow.
who are not able to speak, who are handicapped. I work with them.
That's beautiful. How long have you been doing that?
I'm here selling this 28 years, but I had 2-year course, and this I am doing this healing things since 5-6 years.
Wow.
You see, different. 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 Every different.
Wow.
You see, this 50 rupees only. This Om chanting clear your toxin, give you intuition, fulfill desire. Om. Message very, very.
I want this one.
Okay. Would you like?
Not if you